tell you the health benefits of corn oil. First of all, it is cholesterol lowering effect. Corn oil has received much attention in the recent years for its ability to lower blood cholesterol. It's also been compared with olive oil to find out which oil performs better in terms of health benefits. Corn oil contains sitosterols in significant amount. These are steroid compounds that are derived from plant sources and are similar to cholesterol in a structure. Many plant sterols have powerful ability to reduce absorption of cholesterol. Some others help the body to use more cholesterol so that there is less in serum. Now, the second benefit. It is useful in heart health. Corn oil is good for health of cardiovascular system if taken within limits. Corn oil is rich in linoleic acids and other PUFAs, polyunsaturated fatty acids. A diet which contains about 8 to 10% of total energy from PUFAs, which is good for health and good for heart health. Our regular diet usually contains only about 5%, even though we may be consuming lots of fats. This means that our diet should be rich in foods and contain PUFAs like corn oil. Now, it is useful in high blood pressure. Consuming polyunsaturated fatty acids lowers high blood pressure in people who are suffering from hypertension. Corn oil significantly is able to lower blood pressure levels by about 10%. However, as always, one should keep the consumption of fats within limits, no matter how healthy. Now, corn oil is good for skin. One can apply corn oil for skin as a massage oil. It is a nice emollient, though not as good as the well-known massage oils like olive, coconut or sweet almond. Unrefined corn oil has slight cone-like aroma which may be preferred by some people. It improves skin functioning because of the presence of linoleic acid and vitamin E in it. Corn oil is gentle oil and one can use it as a base oil for household products like lip balms, salves, creams and night oils. Corn oil is about 59% linoleic acid. Because of it, thus oil penetrates quickly into the skin. Now, corn oil for hair. Corn oil is not conveniently a hair oil. One can use it as a hot oil treatment 1 to 2 times a week. It helps dry and undernourished hair. It contains the hair and makes them smooth. Now, it's useful for pets. Corn oil is also used for animals. It is gentle and great for their skin care. Massaging corn oil on dog's hair makes the coat healthier. Corn oil is also fed to horses to treat dull coat conditions. Corn oil provides them with healthy fats and more energy. However, the diet should also contain something which is rich in omega-3 fatty acids to balance out excess omega-6 from corn oil. So thank you.